Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to add the SUI network to MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head to this URL here, 1rpc.io ecosystem SUI. I will leave a link in the description below. Now from here on the main page where it says SUI, we want to go ahead and copy the block explorer. So go ahead and copy this or click on the copy button. And then from here, we want to go to MetaMask. That should be installed as an extension on your Chrome browser. If you don't have it, go ahead and quickly install MetaMask extension, then open it up and log in. Now from here, you want to click on the little Ethereum mainnet button. And then once we're here, click on add a custom network. Then from here, where it says network name, type in SUI. And where it says default RPC URL, click onto that and then click on add RPC URL. And then put in that URL here, and you can give that RPC a name. It's optional, and then go ahead and click on add URL, and that's how to add a SUI network to MetaMask.